Hello students, today we are discuss about chapter 3, okay, introduction to MS Excel, okay. So now discuss data is a collection of unprocessed or raw items which can include text, numbers, images, audio, video, folder or any other file, okay. It's called data. Then what is data? Data is a text, number include which can include text, number, images, audio, video, any file, any program. You can also call data. Okay. So next, information is processed data that is it is organized, meaningful and useful. In addition to documents, information can be in the form of audio, images and video. A database is a collection of data which is organized in a manner that can be easily retrieved. Okay, database. So now discuss database. What is database? Database is a collection of data. Database is a collection of data which is organized in a manner that can be easily retrieved. So suppose you can open it my database program, and so we will discuss this database. So I want to open it blank desktop database. So now you can see this my screen. Database is a collection of data which is organized in a manner that can be retrieved. They consist of field, record, and file. You can so data means what? Data is a text, number, images which can include text, numbers, images, audio, and video. Any file. It's called data. But base, what is base? Database, which can including which can including text, number, images, audio, video, any file on your table. It's called base. Okay, database. Okay, it's called database. So database is a collection. Data means what? Data means a text, number which can include text, number, images, audio, video, any file. It's called data. Okay, so database. Now discuss database. Database is a which including text, number, images, audio, video, any file, including in a table. It's called database. So now discuss database. So you can see this in my table. So now I want to include my I include my text. So include my text. Text is name. Okay. So and next date and time. Okay, no problem. So date and time also called text. Okay, also called text. Date and time. Next images, number, suppose number. So number, insert a number. Next images, you can see this attachment. Okay, so now click on attachment. So attach. So I want to attach picture on this my database. Click so download desktop with my picture. I can download and to add picture on my database. Okay, this one. The file is too long. Make sure the name of the file does not exceed 122 characters. Sorry for but my file is file size my file size just wait. Wait. Just wait. I also rename my file name. Download this one. Okay. So now I will click on attachment, add, download one. Okay. See my, you can see, yeah. Status already inserted images in this column. Okay. So now insert image already insert. So now insert audio and video. So now insert any video. Okay, so attachment, double click on attachment, add, after add video, video. Okay. So okay, just wait. System request executed. This problem. I think big size of my video. I think. Yes, it is. Size is very large, so could not be inserted in database. Okay, video. So now next audio. How to insert audio? Double click, add audio, and also audio. You can also it. Okay. Yes. Audio is inserted. Okay. This column. You can see this. Yes. Okay. So it's called database. Database. You can see this. Column number inserted text, column 2 inserted text, column 3 inserted number, column 4 inserted image, column 5 inserted audio. Okay, so which can including text, number, images, audio, video. Okay, so audio, video including in a table. You can see this my table. Yes, table 1, name of table 1. Okay, so it's called database. Okay, understood? Which table can include text, number, images and audio and video, or any file. It's called database. So you can see this my already inserted. ID number 1 is number, inserted number, insert text, insert text, column 4 insert number, column 5 insert image, column 6 insert audio. Okay, so you can also call it database. Okay, I have understood. Next, today manage their data. So some people use manual database, which use filing cabinet to manage their data, but most modern companies today rely on computerized database software, often called database management system, DBMS. Okay, so you can also call it MS Access is you can also call it DBMS program. Okay, DBMS program or DBMS software. Okay, system, DBMS database management system program. Okay, so today rely on computerized database software, often called database management system, that cannot only retrieve. You cannot only retrieve. You can also use it manage huge amount of data more efficiently than ever before, but also present it in format desired by you. Thus, a database management system is a set of data and program needed to manipulate data. Okay, database management system is a set of data and program need to manipulate data. Okay, database management system is a set of data. You can also call it this program Access 2013 MS. You can also call MS Access. Okay, the group of Microsoft. So you can also call MS Access 2013. My version is 2013. Okay. So you can also call DBMS program. Okay, MS Access 2013, old version 2003, 7, 10. So 13, my already 2013 is old version. Now uh, upgraded version is I think 19 is 2019. Okay, so you can also call it DBMS program. Okay, MS Access. Okay, so a database management system, DBMS, is a software that enable a user. DBMS is a software or program, software program that enable a user to create, maintain and use a database. Create, maintain, You can also create database and maintain database, delete or move data. Okay, it's called maintain and use a database. Okay, it allows user and software that enable to it allows user and other software to store and retrieve data in a structured way. Okay, so it allows user and other software to store and retrieve data in a structured way. The database is organized in row and column in the form of table containing information. The columns are called attribute and row are called record. You can see this. My database table, it's called column are called attribute and row are called record. Okay, in a table. My table name is my database classic. Okay, my table name only. So the collection of information in the form of row and column is called database. So already discussed database. What is database? Okay, the collection of row information in the form of row and column is called database. Okay, you can also call database. Okay. So now discuss application of database. Application of database. Okay. Application of database. Database are used at most of the places. Okay, most of the places to ensure the smooth functioning of the organization. Okay, so advantage of database. Advantage of database. Okay, so bank create database. You can also bank create. You can also use it database at bank. Okay, so bank create database to maintain customer. Uh, how to use it? Bank database in a bank. So bank database used to maintain customer information and centralized database enable you to have easy access with ATM card. Okay, access with ATM card. So database management actually a customer information. Bank create database, customer information. Bank create database store a only customer information. Okay, store only customer information and centralized database enable you to have easy access with ATM card. So access when you are information in a bank, so you can also know you can access your ATM card. Okay, so you could not any other ATM card on your bank because you have also including your name in a bank. Okay, next, student database. Student database is a maintained course registration report. You can also call it student system. Okay, student management system. Student management system. Okay, I have already used it. Student management system in my computer center. Okay, so student database is maintained courses, registration, report card, information is kept here by school and university. Okay, student database is maintained courses. You can also maintain courses, registration, report card, information is kept hereby. Information is kept hereby school university. Okay, you can also maintain student code, registration, report card, information. Okay, I have also used it. You can see this my just do it. Mm, my website. Okay, you can see this my website. Student management system. Okay, student. Student. You can see this my student online system. Where my online education. Okay, okay. My courses. Student. Student online system. Student management system. You can also log in it. Okay, you can use it. Student management system. Okay. Next, telecommunication database. Wait. I'm already logging it. Okay. Student management system. My student management system. My database. Just wait. database. I login ID actually. Our login ID is password is password is password this one. Okay. Then password is the one. Name is admin. Password is ADMIN. Okay. I don't know how to spell it. Actually, I forgot my user ID and password. Okay, no problem. Okay. So next, telecommunication database. Uh, Telecommunication database is maintained to keep record of telephone owner, shall made up and process bills. Okay. It is also used in telecommunication system. Also use it in suppose some company telecommunication company. Okay. Next, inventory system. Sales invoice, sales mat and inventory data is maintained. I have already used it. Inventory system. You can see this my inventory system. Just wait. I inventory system. Just wait. You can see this optimized database. Okay. Optimized database. I have already used it. Okay. Inventory system. I have used devotional. You can see this my inventory system. Purchase management, sales management, warehouse management. You can see this my inventory system. Okay. Okay. It is also use it shopping mall. Okay. You can see this my database already stored in my purchase order register. Okay. Okay. So you can call inventory management system. Okay. Now close it. Terminate it. Okay. Next, human resource information of employee, salary, generation of pay, checks are also maintained through the database. Human resource employee database system. Employee database system. Okay, I have already used it. Employee management system. So this is my client employee management system or my employee management system database. So also use it. Employee management system is student admission system. Management system, director management system. You can also use it, director management system. It's called employee management system. Okay. You can see this is my loan management system. Yes, 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 this one. Employee management system. Yes. Employee management system. So employee management system is used it salary, generation of pay, check are also maintained through the database. Okay. So application of a database. Application of a database. Okay. The application of a database: number one, bank database, student management system database, telecommunication database, inventory database, and employee database. Okay. So now discuss database and DBMS. Database and DBMS. Database is a organized collection of related data so that it can be easily accessed, managed, and uploaded. But DBMS is a software program. Already discussed DBMS. Okay. DBMS is a software program that enables you to create, modify, and extract data from a database. DBMS can be based on different data models such as network, hierarchical, and relational. A DBMS based on relational data model stores data in the form of tables, and it is called Relational Database Management System (RDMS). DBMS based on relational data model stores data in the form of tables. Store data in the form of table and is called Relational Database Management. RDMS. In this chapter, we will learn about Microsoft Access with an example of RDMS. RDMS, Microsoft Excel, which is example of RDMS. Microsoft Access, which is as an example of RDMS. Some other example of RDMS are Oracle, Microsoft SQL Server. I have already used it, SQL Server, and I like it, SQL Server. Okay, so SQL Server, I also use it, SQL Server, and Oracle is not good, and Access is not good, but SQL Server is best. I think I have already used it. SQL Server. Okay, SQL Server is best. Okay. Some other example of RDMS. RDMS means a database based on the relational data model stores data in the form of table. Store data in the form of table and call it a relational database. You can see this my store in the form of database. Number one data table is my database class 8, and you can enable content. Double click on table. You can also call it table. It's RDMS. Okay. DBMS based on higher relational data model stores data. Already stored data in my table. Store data in the form of table. In the form of table, you can see this a form of table, and is called relational database RDMS. It is called relational database. Okay. Okay. So RDMS, some example of RDMS are Oracle and Microsoft SQL Server. Okay. So next class we will discuss about component of database. Okay. So now bye bye.